I'm just gonna do my thing and be done.
Recording. Hey, how you doing? They're here, Legacy, Chuck Spring, Cowboy Like Me, and I was just informed that Cowboy here has a blue raspberry Mad Dog, bling bling bling, and all that good stuff. And I think that he might be willing to do a little chug for us here. If I'm correct.
Yeah.
So I think that's what we're gonna do. And I would like to pass the talk over to you. Yes. And with you, I'm gonna fill you in. We're making a video, just letting you know. By the way, hey, how you doing? And here he goes.
Good.
Go for a second.
Make the aqua green color disappear.
Look at that. Oh, bling bling down the throat.
You're gonna be peeing aqua green.
Go! Oh my gosh! What?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Nice.
No,
Fair enough.